The Maharashtra Navnirman Sena was inactive after winning just one seat in Maharashtra Assembly elections. But now the party is trying to resurface, and how? Look at these pictures. They will shock you. They will disappoint you if they don't actually disgust you. Resorting to open Gunda Raj on the streets of Mumbai. This incident, of course, taking place in Jogeshwari. North Indian hawkers were beaten up, their handcarts vandalized, their wares thrown around, fruits completely destroyed, crushed under their feet. Look at these pictures. And this is Maharashtra Navnirman Sena claiming that hawkers from North India, especially Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, were taking away the jobs of local Marathi people. Let's listen in to the gundagardi of the MNS on the streets of Mumbai.
We are in complete action mode, and I don't think that the people of Mumbai, and more importantly the government that people have voted us for, have voted us only for a good governance model. And if hooligans think they can get away scot-free, they better try another time, because it's not going to work with the government. As I said in the previous case, not just was an FIR registered immediately, the guilty brought to task, and I'm sure it's going to be at double the speed this time.
The question remains, why have the guilty not been punished? I want to bring in Congress Party spokesperson Priyanka Chaturvedi for more on this. Priyanka, one seat is what the MNS got in the assembly elections, 0 in Lok Sabha elections, back to identity politics. What do you make of the Devendra Fadnavis government's reaction on it, or lack of it so far?
No, I was listening to Ms. Shaina NC, and I'm surprised to hear that she says that they are a party full of action, they are a government full of action. We have a missing chief minister who's traveling all across the world, but he doesn't care to stop and think what is happening in Mumbai, what is happening all across Maharashtra, farmers dying almost every day, and you have hooligans ruling the streets of Mumbai with zero action being taken, absolute zero law and order, and this kind of derisive attitude that we see with the MNS feeling emboldened because you have a missing government right now in Maharashtra.
So this is an example of lack of governance. And is this emboldening the MNS, Priyanka? There was an attack on Nana Chudasma's office just because he said you should encourage Marathi, but don't enforce diktats. There was gundagardi then, and then there is gundagardi now at Jogeshwari.
No, you can have, when the government itself issues diktats as to which movies to be watched and at what time of the day, then obviously you have elements like these who feel emboldened enough to take law in their own hands and do what they want to do, and their only identity is this kind of hooliganism, which they're doing. They feel that they are emboldened. You see an absolute failure of law and order in Mumbai, and you have a chief minister who's missing, who's not even proactive in such, catching these culprits.
So, is the Congress alleging that the BJP is running with the hare and hunting with hounds? They don't want the MNS to run away with the Marathi Manus agenda, and that is why there is no action against Raj Thackeray, with leaders in the BJP claiming, or sources in the BJP claiming, that these are actions just of local level Vibhag Pramukhs?
Absolutely. When you have silence and Shiv Sena goes and attacks Shobha Day, they carry these protest marches, they come out with privilege motion against a person who spoke against the entire diktat for movie watching. And then you have MNS also behaving the same way, and the chief minister not reacting, the Bharatiya Janata Party not reacting, the government being absolutely silent, a silent partner in this entire affair, goes to show that they are hand in glove with this entire issue. They wouldn't want to ruffle the feathers of the voters that they're catering to.
Priyanka Chaturvedi of the Congress Party, many thanks for joining me. These are pictures of that vandalism, MNS vandalizing stalls. These are simple, poor people, whether from Uttar Pradesh or Bihar, trying to earn an honest living, a decent living. Very poor people selling fruits, vegetables, a cup of tea. And these are people who are being harassed by Maharashtra Navnirman Sena in Jogeshwari, one of the suburbs of Mumbai. Let's listen in to what's happening on ground before I get your reaction of Sanjay Nirupam of the Congress Party.
सबसे पहले मैं इस घटना की निंदा करता हूं, निषेध करता हूं, और किसी भी व्यक्ति को किसी भी आधार पे कानून अपने हाथ में लेने का हक नहीं है। मेरी जानकारी में है कि जो वहां के जो पुलिस स्टेशन के लोग हैं, जो ऑफिसर्स हैं, उन्होंने कुछ एक्शन लिया, एफआईआर वगैरह किया है। बिल्कुल एफआईआर होना चाहिए और सख्त कार्रवाई की जानी चाहिए जो भी हमलावर हैं। नहीं, ये तो गुंडागर्दी करते रहते हैं, ये इनकी राजनीतिक हताशा है। हाल के दिनों में जो चुनाव में इनको भारी असफलता मिली, उसकी वजह से किसी तरह से अपनी राजनीति चमकाने के लिए इस तरह की हरकत करते रहते हैं। मैं उनसे यही कहूंगा कि इस हिसाब से उनकी राजनीति नहीं चमकेगी।